I don't think people understand how easy fix and peel in paint can be. Let's break it down together. First, grab a scraper and gently remove that flaky paint. No need to go all Hulk on it. Next, smooth out the surface with some sandpaper. Think of it as giving your walls a little spa treatment. Now, it's time to prime. Use a good exterior primer to seal everything in. This is like putting sunscreen on your walls. Very important. Finally, paint it up. 2 coats of high-quality exterior paint should do the trick. Remember, patience is key. Let each coat dry completely. And there you have it, a quick fix that makes a big difference. For more tips and free estimates, visit acleanlook.com. Happy painting, Chicago.